our Governor, sir, Honorable Simba Arati, our Deputy Governor, Honorable Elijah Obego, our County Commissioner, sir, Mr. Joseph Kibet, our Deputy County Commissioner, Mr. Joash Abogo, Kisii County Senator, Honorable Richard Onyonga, who is absent, Kisii Women Rep, Honorable Doris Yaburi, Area Member of Parliament, Honorable Innocent Obiri Bumanyi, Area MCA, Honorable Henry Moracha, sir, all other Ministry of Interior Government, coordination officials present, all heads of departments, county and sub-county level, all other invited guests present, all the Suguta fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. God is good, and all the time. We thank God for the gift of this day, the gift of our country, and the gift of the Mashujaa who fought for our independence. That is why we are able to gather together and celebrate the gift of freedom that we have in our country. I'm Zipora Nyandoro. I'm the principal of Suguta Girls Secondary School. We have a total population of 2,300 learners, and we are so much privileged because the governor has been supporting us through the bursaries. Surely our learners are comfortable in our school, and we appreciate that. We also appreciate our governor for the good leadership, for what he has done in Gusii land, for the efforts. We have the bursaries, we have the roads that we can be able to communicate. We can be able to communicate to other people through the roads that we have. We appreciate you. We appreciate your presence in our school. Most sincerely, we invite you to our school so that you can even sign our visitors book. When we see you, we are very happy. Our learners said we cannot be able to breathe because we have seen you. We welcome you to our school most sincerely, and our learners requested for a dormitory. Because of the high enrollment, we have few dormitories, and sometimes they are so much congested in those dormitories. We are really working on the classrooms, and we are able to say at least we have almost enough classrooms for now. But the dormitories are very few. That is our request, and we hope you are to listen and even honor our request. We also have a gift to you. We want to gift you in a very special way. We have Ango, and we have Oboli for the Gusii land. Oboli nikende kenene. Tuko na wimbi. Mama Kaunti aende kuandalie vizuri. Ujue kwamba ulifika kwetu, ulifika kwako kwa Gusii. We thank you, most welcome. We appreciate you for what you have done.